Hey G-Spot, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool mat right here, and basically what this is a bathtub mat. So if you're really curious about what are the benefits or what this is for, you can basically put this into your bathtub, or if you guys want to put it into your shower room, you can definitely do that as well. And it has a little suction cup in the bottom to actually hold it in the bottom of your bathtub or your shower room like I mentioned. But on the top of the mat, it definitely has the non-slip material, so that way when you guys are showering, when you guys are stepping on top, it definitely gives you guys that non-slip support when you guys are showering, so you don't have to worry about slipping in the shower room when you guys are showering. And for the one that we got right here is a 40 by 16 inch, but I'm actually open up the product first to show you guys what actually looks like first. Alright, so when you take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So you see right here, they provide you guys some information on how to actually use the product and how to maintain it. So that is basically everything that's on the piece of paper. Now I'm actually showing you guys the product. So right here we have the actual product. So if we open it up, this is basically what it looks like. And they have a little wrapper right here. So I'm actually move the wrapper as well. So on top part here, it definitely has a lot of holes, so that way the water can go through. And then on the other side right here, you guys can see all these little spots right here, and those are basically suction cups. So basically once you guys install the product, all these little suction cups will actually go on the floor. And those suction cups will actually help you guys hold it onto the actual bathtub, so that way it won't keep moving around when you guys actually use it. So this is basically what it looks like in the back right here. And then here's what it looks like in the front. When you guys feel the material here, it definitely feels like a pretty high quality material. And you definitely feel like that non-slip material on top as well, so when you guys step on here, you don't have to worry about slipping off as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go set this up to show you guys how to install it, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got a bathtub set up. Let me actually install the product to show you guys how to install it and what it actually looks like. So once you guys install it on here, what you're going to do is just push the suction cup in the bottom, so that way it actually stays onto your bathtub. Alright, so once you guys fully install the product, this is basically what it actually looks like. So like I mentioned earlier, for the product, you definitely want to soak it in warm water if it's your first time using the product. So I'm actually do that first. Alright, so that should be good. So basically once you guys fully soak the product, then you start using it. So when we try to move the mat right here, you guys can see that it doesn't move. And when I actually put my hand on here, it definitely gives you guys a very good grip with the anti-skid material or the non-slip material on here, which is pretty nice. And actually will give you guys that support that's needed to prevent yourself from slipping when you guys are showering, which is pretty awesome. And basically when you guys are done using the product, you guys can just throw it in the machine to wash it. You can just pull it out like this. So once you guys take this out, you can throw this into the machine to wash it. But if here, the suction cup on there is definitely pretty strong, so it definitely will hold it pretty well in the bottom. So I'm actually bringing it over to give you guys another point of view of the product. Alright, so here is another point of view of the product of what it actually looks like. If you guys can see, it definitely looks pretty nice and super easy to install. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys will quick test our product and definitely see it actually does work and works quite well. Obviously if it's your first time using the product, you definitely want to use like some warm water to like soak it and everything first. But when you see from the actual video, it definitely is really long. So you definitely want to do your own measurement and research to make sure the product fits in your bathtub or your shower room first before you guys purchase it. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it should work or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you guys are worried about your bathtub being very slippery when you guys are showering, then you definitely want to get one of these for the extra security and support. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.